Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to add some of the Creative Commons to your digital libraries for your teaching database. So when you click the link to search creativecommons.org, you get all these kind of possibilities. So you see there's music, there's media, there's the web, YouTube, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Now to get started, we're going to put some music on there. So let's say history. What you do is you type something, click which one you want, type it, and then anything it has in there will come up. So, Dinosaurs, American Museum of Natural History. You can search through and find something that you like. So let's just say, well, I'm not really digging on any of them, but hey, Intro to History, Theologically and Spiritual Gospel of Nonviolence. See what that is. It tells you the time over here, what it's about. So if you want to find a specific tune, you can find a specific tune. Let me click oral history because I want to find something with oral history.
It's a great pleasure that I introduce you to Father Emmanuel Charles McCarthy.
Woodland Grass Organic Farms.
I'm Celia Barse. I'm the farm manager at Woodland Gardens in Winterville, Georgia.
So you can see you can find a lot of different things in here. You can find some of the podcasts that you can put on here. You can find some of this kind of aspect. I'm going to say I want to find background music because I want to put a background on mine. So, let's see what this is.
Il ricordo della caduta del muro di Berlino fu certamente...
Not exactly my kind of aspect. So you've got all kinds of music on here. You can find anything you're really looking for. If you want a regular song, you can find regular songs on here. So let's just say you want, well, there's Miley Cyrus, there's Drake, K Camp. So you can just search and you can pretty much find anything you want. Now just to give you an idea on how well you can do this, I'm going to type background on here. You can also find instrumental, regular music, pretty much anything. So I'm going to go with In the Clouds. So you click it, kind of upbeat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post this. I'm going to click the share. And then if you want to send the link to someone, you can send the link to somebody, or you can click embed, which is going to actually post it the way it looks right here on your page. So click the code, do Control C, go to your page, click the, we're going to click the edit button. Alright, so I'm going to add this on here. So what I do is I click HTML since it's an HTML code, and I'm going to go down to the way bottom. I'm going to just click Control V to paste it, and then update. Now as you can see, it posts in the middle, so if I click it with the regular click and click this, it's going to put it in the center and save. So now I have music on my page. Alright, so let's say we want to do something else. We want to add videos. Alright, so I'm going to go to videos. You can do student videos if you're going to do student videos. You can use tutorial videos, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to say create, and now I'm going to have tutorial videos on there. Now just remember, if I go back to the Creative Commons, it's got all these on here. So I'm going to click, too far. I'm going to click, let's do Crash Course, because I know there's videos on this. So you search YouTube, you find what you want. So here's Crash Course History. So what you can do is then you can do several different things. You can click, okay, this is Big History Project. So let's see if we can find a playlist. So here's a bunch of different playlists of what they all have. So here's Crash Course Videos. So let's click that. So now there's all of the different videos. So I'm going to click Play All. And now
Hi, I'm John Green, and this is...
Here's all of them in order, or at least close to it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share embed, and this shows it's going to start with playlist from current video. So now I'm going to do the same thing, Control C, go back to my tutorial videos. It's right here. So now I'm going to go HTML, and I'm going to paste, update. So then I'm going to just give it a little title, Crash Course History Playlist from YouTube. Now, to give credit, you have to actually give the information. So since this is Crash Course right here, it's by the Creative Commons attribution, so we already know it's there, so it's got a license. That tells us that we can use it. And so now that we have that, we can just post it on here and save. And what's going to happen is when it goes through, they can share it themselves if they want. They can watch it later. Or when they press play,
Hi, I'm John Green, and
play. When it gets to the end,
it will await us in our 100 trillion times more ridiculous to say the Big Bang, the mother of all historical events, was not history. And that's why big history reaches into the lives of every person on this tiny speck of dust we call home, regardless of nation, class, or creed, and forms our common story. See you next time.
so that we have all the information. So now what we want to do is we want to find another one. So we can use the same one. Or let's do something else. Let's go back down here and let's click this. This is going to show the support to give you all the information about the Creative Commons, so you can see which ones there are, what their licensing are. So this means that you can use their
Hi, I'm John Green, and this is Crash.
Let's also do... Go down here. Let's add in a World War II one. We do the same
Who can
thing.
paint the corners is known as a Rembrandt. At GMC, we get that.
Okay, I'm going to do
Everyone
this.
loves that kind of
You can
precision.
do the same thing over and over again.
This is GMC.
Hi, I'm John Green. This is Crash Course
in
World
there.
History, and today we're going to talk about World War II.
And you're going to come here, go down to that, and do the same thing. HTML, go down to the bottom, paste it in, and you're done. So this is how you can add videos. So make sure you check copyright laws, and so that you are using stuff that you can use. Click Save, and there they are. They're all right there. So that's how you put those in there. Now let's say I want to add, let's go back to the home page. I want to add some pictures in here. So let's add comments, let's add pictures. Alright, and going back to this, let's go back to Creative Commons Search. So we have all of these different things. So we have Open Clip Art Library, we have Pixabay, we have Google Images. I'm going to go to Media, and let's go back. Let's go History. So here's what it pulls up for history. Now, you can see we have some documents, we have some actual pictures. Here, this looks like a registration card. It's in Hebrew, so that's always fun. So if you're looking for something specific, this is going to give you it. It's all from this one's from the National Library of Israel. Now, one thing about this one is a lot of it will be in different languages because of the fact that you are looking at Europe. So you can narrow it down over here if you want pictures, if you want videos. Let's put videos too. and it will show up anything that is remotely similar. So let's say I want the Antolia College postcard. So it tells you all about it right there. And you can click share. And this is a way to email the information to yourself. You can do some sightings. You can do it that way. You can click the view. And then from the view, you can download. So if you want to download the picture, just click it. It shows it. And then you can save image. So we're going to save the image. Has a date right there. And I'm going to just save this into my downloads. And then you can do the same thing as always. So here we go. We save it. We go to our site. Shows that we got it. Let's create. So go into pictures, edit the page, and then insert the picture like we did everything else. So upload. There it is. Okay, and there's the picture. Now one thing is you want to make sure you give credit to any pictures you didn't take. So we can look up here and all the information you need for where the picture came from is right there. Please use this identifier to link to the item. So you can just highlight that. It's right there as well. And then just go into your pictures and say, and there you go. So the picture's there. So is the citation. So that's all you need to do. So you can see easily how to add pictures, videos, everything like that to your page. So good luck with this.